Okay, bent 12C, tube number 7, side view for approval. It's still 1024-12. And here we go. Those almonds smell good. Do you remember if you were using the quads or the double 90s here? Let's take a quick spin. Get below that piece of rebar so we just don't see the rebar. Oh, that works. That looks nice, clean, free of sill, all the ridges. Head on down. Let's go for a spin. Let's get a deep pocket where that rebar was. I didn't see anything hiding out back in there, which is, that's some good news. Looks good. Heading down. All right, let's go for a spin here, John. This is
Are we outside the hoop?
No, this is tube 7. This is one of the ones where you've got some of the better freestanding rebar. You can see it off mirror there up at the top. There's some real, where yeah, we'll come down a little bit here and try to get a, I think this will do it right about here, John. Okay, let's go down. Let's get below this one spiral right here. Yeah, that's a hell of a look right there. I mean, there's just nothing around that hoop, and that is a CIDH cage. If we go down, we'll see the next hoop in the sequence. We'll come into view here, and there's just nothing around it. There's absolutely just nothing around it. Yeah, those two like chunk sittings right there. I don't, you know. Yeah, they look like, I don't know. It's weird. They look like they're almost like they're sort of connected, but I can't tell if they're sitting on something or if that's a vertical face. If it's vertical, they just can't be defying gravity. Right up the top left corner, there's a little bit of sand back in behind there on that ledge, but I mean, this is just such a huge area, such a massive void right here. No, and it's stuff like that. Looking in the mirror, there's that big tunnel that goes back there. And just those very odd concrete surfaces. Odd shaped. Okay, heading down. Yeah, let's go for a spin right here. You can see looking, off mirror again up here, we're much tighter. You can see where we just have the exposed hoop where the tube was running down. So we're looking pile interior. That's good, John. Minor sand on the rebar. And I think this is going to be the worst of it. So just off of the mirror, we see some large coarse debris. That's 1 and 2 inch material. We are pulling some of that out with the lifting box, some of it out with the smasher. Let's go touchdown, please, on that. Okay, let's come up, and we're again going to watch that slowly. I want to watch that sidewall. Just try to get a feel for how much of our lift number 1 is exposed. And there's probably lift number 2 right there where see it opens up past that 1 bar. So there's some coarse debris on the bottom. It's probably in the neighborhood of maybe 3 to 4 inches thick. It could be less. Is
that material that we can break up?
It's material that we could probably grab with the smasher tool. We could get it down there and drive it over it. The lifting box kept plugging up, and now we see why, because it's material that just gets in that 1 1/4 inch pipe, and it's too big to come up. But that is probably the deepest look I've seen at Tube 7 to date.